This morning in my Facebook group, Ali asked about available flipbook video making software options, and once again I gave her answer she's not going to like. You can do that easily in PowerPoint, and I keep forgetting Ali is not using PowerPoint. So if you do know a free software that can produce flipbook animations from images or PDF for books, please share that in the comments below. And for all of you that do have PowerPoint, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm creating book flip videos. The main reason why I can do this for every book easily is because of the fact that no matter what program I'm using to create my books and book pages, I'm always flattening all the pages by converting them to PNG files. I have all my books on my books pages as PNG files. I'm going to use my latest book, What Are These Monkeys Saying? The one that you are seeing now right on the screen. And I'm going to use that one to showcase how you can use PowerPoint to make a promotional video for your book. What you would need to create something like this is PowerPoint. And the PowerPoint needs to be 2016 and above because that is the latest that has a page curl transition. That is the transition that we're going to use. I'm also going to use Luke Bau's puzzle generator to import images, so all the pages from my book. You do not need this tool. You can import images one by one on each slide manually. So the Luke Bau's PowerPoint add-in is just to speed up the process. I'm also running a secret giveaway, and I'm just going to give you a hint to please check out this video here if you are interested for the puzzle generator secret giveaway. It is somewhere in the video. It is still running, so you have one more day to participate in the secret giveaway. So that will be interesting as well. Now, I told you if you do not have it, you do not need it. You just need to manually input all the pages into the PowerPoint presentation, so each slide. Now, after the video is finished in PowerPoint, I also do some editing in Filmora. So that is what you're actually seeing right now. This is a video created with Filmora after the editing. Filmora is also a paid program. You do not have to use Filmora. You can create entire video completely inside PowerPoint. So let's start by opening a new presentation, delete all from the slides, and make sure that under design, the setting is 16 by 9 widescreen. That means 1920 by 1080 ratio. That is like a normal standard video. Now I have to import my cover on the first slide. And you can pick, maybe you just want to have the right side or the front side of your cover. Maybe you don't want to have both sides of your cover here. So you can just use the right one, the first image that is on the front cover. I just uploaded my back and front cover here on the first slide. And after that, I'm going to import all the book pages. I'm going to use Luke Bau's puzzle generator. So under puzzle generator, there's a tab for bulk import images. If I click on this, it opens up a menu. I want to have two images per slide. So I'm going to select 2. And I'm also going to select all the distances to be 0. And I'm going to click OK. And now all the pages are imported. The last page, because the number of pages is uneven, the last page is moved to the top, while as you can see everything else is centered. So I'm going to just center the last slide, the last image on the last slide. Now what you need to do is you need to select everything, select all the pages and go to transition. And go to the drop menu to get the page curl transition. That is the transition that we need. After this is set, if you're going to do some post editing, you also want to have this background color of each slide to be unique. Now this is going to be a problem because I have my cover with plenty of colors and I cannot use the standard chroma key green because I have plenty of green. So I'm going to just pick something dark, for example, dark blue. Hopefully it's going to work because I do not see a dark blue on my cover. So that is going to be my color for the chroma key. That is going to make the background slide transparent in post-editing. And once everything is finished, once everything is applied, the transition has been applied to all slides, you can go to File, so under File, under Export, and select Export as Video. And now here you have a setting, seconds spent on each slide. So if you want your video to be longer, if you want each page to be visible longer on the video, you can increase this. If you want the page flip to be faster, you can reduce the number of seconds. And click on Create Video. And that's it. The PowerPoint is going to export the MP4 file in high resolution, and you will have your book page flip video for promotion. If you want to edit it further, for example, if you want to use Filmora, you can apply green screen effect or chroma key, and you can put some video in the background, and that is going to become your video, your promotional video. Now, I also ordered a jingle to match this video on Fiverr. I'm trying to order kids musical jingle, unique, custom made for me for this book, and to match this promotional video. If that works out, soon you will see this promotional video with the music on this channel. To anyone who is new here, I do not have at the moment some specific upload schedule. I just make videos as I want or as people need something. So if you do need something, write down below in the comments. And if you like this video, please consider liking and also subscribing. Until next video, I'll see you in the comments. Bye!